Windows 8.1 Professional running on AMD Ryzen 3700X Zen 2 generation. I will show you what we got. But I'm using hard drive people, so you may not see very large speed. Okay, we got all drivers installed. System devices. I use the AMD chipset drivers. You can disable driver signature enforcement you can use, and you can install all drivers. Everything works. Graphics drivers. Okay, I will show you. Also, I will show you in a minute how quick and how responsive it is. I don't want to do any benchmarks, but I will show you how responsive it is when you open the files. Okay. This is Picasa image browser, and pictures have been taken by Canon EOS 700D. Okay, what we got? As you can see, we will open up in a minute other files. I will show you this. Near Trego Mills in England. As you can see, pictures are quite large, and AMD Ryzen opens up pictures very quick. What I can show you? Okay, I will show you PDF portable format documents. But because I got it right, it will not open up as quick as when you use SSD. I forgotten to check something. Zoom, I will use 75% zoom, because I can show you how quick fix Windows post process. Other files, router up in use. I don't know why this comes up. But I showed you how quick is that. Also, when you open up video files, you can see noticeable difference.
In the land, there is that nearly everything. Not by water and soul. Brother, whoever but these demon would.
I don't know what the sound was, but I don't know why this happened. Also, I will show you AMD Ryzen 7 3700X. Also, check what temperatures you get. HW monitor will show you. This is actually very important. I'm using aftermarket cooler. Okay, cache, mainboard. I'm not going to show you how fast games are running benchmark, nothing like that. I'm showing you in practice.
To some heat use difficulties with function.
Keep in mind that I'm using hard drive.
An end-time vision on the roof of my apartment.
If you are interested in and you are Christian, you can check Pennier Eternal channel when you type in YouTube. Very, very interesting channel. Also let's check textures, how files are being opened. They are high resolution textures. But I will check higher resolution textures. Because I wanted to check how fast they are opening. Oh, everything seems to be faster. Keep in mind that this is quite high resolution. What I can check? What else I could show you? Compression. Okay, we got some files. what I can unlock, maybe Blender. Wait a minute, why this did not unlock? Extract? Extract displayed objects? Mm, this is also performing quite fast, but I have to double check something else. Not everything I like. One process probably slowing down my computer. I have to double check. All cores are unlocked because there's program which will allow you to unlock all cores. Also keep in mind when you have backup of the operating system, if you don't see all cores, you can type this tool. You can type name of this tool, boot, advanced option, and you can check number of processors. Hey, wait a minute, I was supposed to have this selected. Oh no, I did not select this. But I cannot quit yet. As you can see, I'm using Windows 8.1 and this is working fine, people. My Windows is very responsive. I don't want to show you benchmarks, I just show you how quick everything opens up. But you can still have this running on your, you can still have Windows 8.1 on AMD Ryzen. Hopefully, but you will not get updates because this is not officially supported by AMD or Microsoft. Windows 8.1, it is still a good operating system. Oh, I have to check something because I wanted to click. What else I can show you? Let's check how fast music is opening. Uh, I have to check something. Change one of the programs because this is important. Strange error comes up when I close an exe file and I don't know what is causing this. Let's check this. Wait a minute, what is this? This is very strange because I shouldn't have that sound. Maybe because of this. This process can impact Windows performance. Of course, that's it, Granny. Okay, let's check playback devices. Speakers. Advanced. I completely forgotten to check this. I probably didn't select this loudness equalization.
Popular road, rose to five, that we struck the only evil.
I cannot tell you what is causing that issue. I just was showing you how fast Windows 8.1 performing. Let's check video file. If you know what is causing this, let me know. This is strange because I shouldn't have that issue. I cannot understand what is causing it. Let's check bigger files. The Bible, I will open it with the Bible to check. Because this file is quite large, we can scroll by left mouse button. You can see how fast it renders that portable format document. Now we can check by size. This is important too. 3ds Max Bible by size. That file is quite large. We can test Windows performance by scrolling that file. You can see how fast this file is being rendered by the operating system. I see some stutters, but they are not that bad. When I used AMD FX 8370, I barely could read large file in such speed. I hope you like my video tutorial, and also I wanted to test how fast a folder with textures will copy. Oh no. Because I got a USB, I got hard drive docking station. But let's check. I don't have actually this folder. You can see the difference. This doesn't take long time at all. It wasn't very slow when I had the previous previous PC, but because I've got AMD Ryzen 8370, I see noticeable difference when I edit large files. Let's open up the GIMP application. Also, Krita and GIMP is performing faster. I wanted to open up Krita, but maybe later on. You can still install latest programs on Windows 8.1. Oh, the good example I could show you when I fix texture to check how fast this will be performing. Okay, let's check one of the textures from myang.com. I don't like that texture. Nothing is beautiful here, but I still have some interesting textures. I'm thinking what texture I can show you. Maybe that one, because I wanted to check how fast this will perform. Layer, transform, offset. You can see how fast GIMP is performing. Sorry that I cannot show you much faster. Hardness. I'm holding Control and left mouse because I can get rid of ugly lines. Okay, from bottom, Control and left mouse, and I no longer keep Control. I didn't press now. As you can see, GIMP is performing. Okay, export as barrel texture. Now we tested out our GIMP application when it comes to saving our files. GIMP is performing well. Wait a minute, why I have received that message? And now let's open up Krita. Krita also is performing quite fast. But because I don't have hard drive, because I don't have SSD, you don't see how fast it is when you use with SSD drive. I don't like SSD memory flash drive because it doesn't last long. You have limited write cycles when you work with SSD drive. You cannot delete and save files. You don't have unlimited how to say in English, unlimited cycles. I think it's up to 100,000 cycles. We have Krita. Also, I forgotten to check resolution. Krita also is behaving quite fast comparing to my previous computer because I want to do animation. This is free and open source program. It will work on Windows 8.1. Onion skin, you can detach this window. Also what we got here. Blender also will be working on Windows 8.1. I can open up Blender now. Let's open up Blender. Where I got Blender? Blender, where are you? I can't see folder. I probably have to go to catalog to open up Blender. Because in my previous video tutorial, people, I showed you what files you can copy to be able to render my graphics card. Let's check this. Actually, we are in Cycles viewport. I wanted to open up the scene but different thing, the clock. I probably didn't switch to I forgot. Sorry people, I did not turn this on. This was my fault. Sorry. I really regret. Let's check some is because this is important. If you want to render properly, you select this. Okay, let's check 57 sum is. If you have only 57 sum is, that's fine, because you can still use open image denoiser and it will work perfect for the performance. I completely forgotten even to set this up. Sorry for that. Hey, Blender, what are you doing? That's strange because I never had that issue. No, this is because I'm still using Vita version. Maybe that is why. Hey, come on, Blender. Oh no. What if I use option suspend and resume? Oh, it shouldn't happen. Sorry for that. It shouldn't happen. Do I have the same settings? Because I do not... I want to swear, but I'm Christian, and I'm not supposed to swear. Because I have to do everything from the beginning. I wish I have saved it. I wish I had... What is going on? Blender, come on! Hey, come on, Blender! Why this doesn't save my file properly? Sorry people for that. I will have to use different compilation. What if I check default version? I will have to use older version to check why this happened. That's strange because this shouldn't happen at all. I'm not... Maybe because shaders are working great in this compilation. I really wanted to show you how this will be performing when you use a viewport in Eevee. In Eevee works okay. Oh, we will have all the reflections. all reflections, and PBR shader. But in this case, I will probably have to use the option Save Preferences, just in case, because I don't want to do everything from the beginning. I don't know what is going on, why Blender is hanging. This shouldn't happen. Some in viewport. Denoise in viewport I will not touch. Fixed. Maybe option save as. Oh, no, I have to report to Blender Foundation. I have to check something. This version doesn't behave like that. I don't know what was wrong with beta version. I have to report to the developers. Do we have realistic sky? I don't have time to do that. I have to finish showing him because I have to go to the gym. I don't have time for nothing. I don't have time for nothing, people. I should say this different way. I have got time for nothing. Okay, let's check this. Oh, Venderson or Nishita. But I will choose this because I wanted to show you turbidity, ground albedo, where I was. What was causing Blender to hang? I don't know. Maybe because I was using beta version. Or now we can check our clock. This is performing well because I got the GTX 1070 still using Windows 8.1. I hope you like my video tutorial. The graphics card itself seems to be okay, and I will switch quickly to Eevee. I like Bloom. This is cool. This is really cool when I see the Bloom feature. I like it very much. I think I will be working with objects in viewport. This is another application that I showed you. Check how this performs when you open Broadcaster software, because the latest OBS Studio will work on Windows 8.1. See you guys. I hope you liked this video tutorial.